Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So today's video is just me showing appreciation and thanking you guys for watching and subscribing and following me on all my social media platforms.
Perfect.
Thank you guys for the support, for the subscriptions, and for the patience and the love that you have shown me. And I thank you for letting me show you my passion and teaching you how to cook and about other stuff, and telling you my story. And I hope you keep on watching and you'll be interested in more of my stories and my recipes, and showing you how I like to cook and how I do my stuff, and the reviews that I give on certain recipes to see if you could try them. And I thank you for watching and for being patient enough to watch them. I know they're not of the best quality, but we all start somewhere, and I thank you for allowing me to start somewhere and grow my channel slowly but surely. I did move from a phone camera to actually having a video camera. And this was a present for by Christmas from my brother and his wife, and I thank you for that. Thank you for the patience. I'm still learning, and I thank you for allowing me learn and allowing me grow. And I thank you, and I hope you keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. I would love your feedback on all my other videos and my channel. If you think it's doing well, what do you think I can improve? And you can also tell me that on my social media platforms. It's more than open for you to share. And on my Facebook page, if you have any recipes that you want me to try out for you, or you want to see what I would do with the recipe or how I'll go about it, you can also drop it on my Facebook page or down in the comments down below, and I will do it just for you. If there's any other topic that you would love for me to talk about, or coming to my life, becoming a chef, or me getting to who I was and me starting the channel and why I did it and all of that, you can definitely drop a comment down below. Or you can go to my social media platforms, which is on Facebook it's at The Venda Chef, and on Instagram it's Punzo_The Venda Chef, and on Twitter as well it's either the Papon11 or Punzo_The Venda Chef as well. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support, including on my new business that I'm doing and the channels and everything. I thank you for the support, for the love that you've shown me. And guys, let's keep it going. Let's grow this channel to new heights. And I know that with you by my side, I can definitely do it. Thank you. And that's it from me, guys. Until next time, bye.